So here's Mpc App streamline your US arrival. So mobile passport control is an official application created by US Customs and Border Protection that streamlines your CBP inspection at select US entry locations. Simply complete your travel information, answer CBP inspection questions, capture a photo of yourself and each member of your group, and follow the instructions provided on your receipt. Mpc does not replace your passport. Your passport will be required for travel. Mpc is only available at supported CBP entry locations. It's a voluntary program which can be used by US citizens, certain Canadian lawful permanent visa and alternate visa waiver program applications. So you need to create primary profile, select your CBP port of entry terminal, and add up to 11 additional members in your group. Answer CBP inspection questions. Upon arrival at your select, tap yes, submit now. Once your submission is processed, CBP will send a virtual receipt back to your device. CBP officer will complete the inspection. If further notification is required, CBP officer will let you know. So this is the idea. And then you can just open it up. So set up your primary profile, prepare your trip, secure, protect your privacy. And then you need to, how would you like to add a new person? Either enter manually or create new person by scanning valid travel document. Start from scratch or scan document, just scan passport. Begin your entry process. Either airplane, select up to 12 family members, including yourself, to add to your submission. So yourself and 11 other people. Maximum, select port of entry, answer CBP questions. And that's the idea. Then there is disclaimer statement. You need to scroll down and agree. And then there are people, there are settings. So here's kind of how the app looks like, where you can have it like that. So yeah, that's the idea. Try it out. This app is available on iOS. I don't know about Android. Yeah, you can just find it here. Some people say that yeah, it just works. So that's kind of what it is, and that's just what you have. So something like that.